What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Well, in today's video I'm gonna answer two questions which are widely asked on Quora, off Quora, on YouTube, off YouTube, and there is no answer for these questions related to Quora. The first one is how to find Quora bookmarks in 2021. So the answer to this question is really simple. Just go on your Quora profile and just click on the profile picture button. I'm just gonna slide this camera a bit and you'll be able to find this bookmark section over here. Just go on that particular thing and voila, you have your all the bookmarks saved at one particular place. So this was about finding the bookmarks on Quora. The second question is how to save bookmarks on Quora in 2021 or how to add bookmarks on Quora app in 2021. So just for adding the applications, there is nothing, again, it's basically very simple, nothing like rocket science or something. Just go on your answers. For example, let's say your content. These are the answers I have shared or the questions that I have asked. I'm just gonna go on, let's say, added an answer. Kidhar gaya yaar? Alright, so I'm gonna go on this particular question. How can I request access to idea pins on Pinterest? By the way, if you don't know what is idea pins, it's a recent and latest feature on Pinterest. You need to go ahead and check it out. If you don't know, please go ahead and check it out, or let me know in the comment section if you want to know what exactly are idea pins. Basically, story pins have been changed to idea pins on Pinterest, so you can go ahead and check it out later on. However, coming to this particular point, so this is the answer that I shared on my Quora account. This is my answer that I've written, and currently it has only 126 views. I answered it on the 19th of May. Now I want to go ahead and add this particular answer, or I want to go ahead and save this particular answer to my Quora bookmarks. What I need to do is just click on this three dots over here and just click on the bookmark option. This way you'll get that option over here as well, answer added to bookmarks. It's basically a notification that you're gonna get after you add any particular answer to your bookmarks. Alright, so we saw how to find Quora bookmarks in 2021. We saw how to save bookmarks on Quora in 2021. Now, how to use Quora bookmarks in 2021. Like, even if you know these two things, there is no point if you don't know how to use the Quora bookmarks, right? So I'm going to show that quickly, and basically the logic behind this one is, I'm going to start with the content views that I have on Quora. It's just in case for you to understand that what is working out for me. Now, I want to make certain things clear. This is not an official statement by Quora or any other social network platform, but the logic behind this is just think as a creator what these social network platforms want you to do as a creator. Whenever you answer or whenever you add any particular content, doesn't matter even if it's Quora, LinkedIn, Facebook, Pinterest, Instagram, you name it, the platforms basically want the creators to make the audience stay longer for longer duration on their own platform. So how this has helped me, this particular strategy has helped me of using my Quora bookmark or Quora answers in other Quora answers links is what I'm going to show you. And this is something which I'm talking with my own experience. It's not an official statement. Again, I'm saying this is just purely what I have understood and what I have understood about how Quora answers work and how is the algorithm, working for me or doing something good for me. So you can go ahead and follow the same strategy if you want to go ahead and start using Quora bookmarks. Of course, there is no rocket science or there is no innovative strategy of using a particular bookmark, because bookmarks are something which are just kept for reference, or if you want to go ahead and share it. Now you cannot go ahead and, of course you can go ahead and share Quora bookmarks, but how many Quora bookmarks are you going to share, or how many answers are you going to share externally? So rather than sharing it externally, start adding those particular links internally in your answers so that people can go from one particular answer to the second answer. What I'm talking about, let's see. Alright, so here we are back on the screen. So basically what you need to do is you need to go ahead and do a bit of research. What I mean to say about the research is you need to go ahead and check out which is the answer that is working out well for you. For instance, if I go on my content and if I just filter out my content for the entire thing, let's say all types of content and all time, and I click on done over here, it's going to, sorry, my bad. Go on your stats and I go ahead and let's say all time. This is the answers, questions, share. So this basically I'm going to go ahead and select answers from here because I want to know what are the maximum views which answer is getting for whatever. So this is the content views that I've got for my answers. 90,000 views I've got on my answers, and this is the answer which is the most popular answer. So the answer is where I was blocked by someone on WhatsApp and so on and so forth. However, you can read it later on by pausing the video. So I answered this particular question on the 6th of May and it has given me a total number of 8,000 views. 8,000 views it has given me. So, and I have also inserted these links. Now you need to figure out which are the answers on your profile that are giving you the maximum views. For instance, if I show you, I have already selected an answer, but this was a process I wanted to explain it because basics, it's always better to have basics clear. So anyway, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go on my bookmarks section over here, and I showed you this answer previously. So this answer of mine has 1,200 views, right? And there is another one I have which is related to Instagram. So the question asked to me was, I upload a good quality video on Instagram, and after I upload the quality deteriorates as in it becomes blurred and has glitches. How do I sort this issue? So this particular answer of mine has got 3.3k views, 3,000 views. What now? Imagine the number of traffic which is coming on this one. How do you go ahead and utilize your bookmark on this? Is basically I'm gonna add the link for that answer, the milkshake answer, to this answer. And how do I go ahead and do that? It's basically just share this thing and copy the link. Now I'm gonna go back to that answer and I'm gonna click on edit the answer. Click on those 3 dots and you'll get an option of editing the answer. Just click on that edit answer. Alright, so there was some glitch over there. Just click on the edit answer again and just follow that particular step and you will end up on this particular screen. So once you're here, you just need to add that link. For example, I'm just gonna paste this link here for that Quora answer and it's gonna give me this thumbnail, and just click on post. Now the crowd which is gonna come on this particular answer, they are gonna read this material, and of course you can add, I should have added a line. 1 second. Alright, so I've added this line, check how to create website for Instagram for free, and then below that I've added this particular answer. So the people who are going to read this one paragraph, they are also going to go ahead and hopefully visit this particular answer of mine, and that's going to help me out in terms of maintaining the average view duration, as we call it on YouTube. There's nothing as such on Quora, but basically it's how do you go ahead and engage your audience more and more and make them stay on Quora platform for the more time. So this was basically a trick of how to go ahead and use the Quora bookmarks. Just for a reference, I want to show you the content views that I have on Quora, and this is something which is basically working out for me. This is something which I have learned, and the last point which I shared about how do you go ahead and use the Quora bookmarks, it's not, again I'm saying, it's not an official thing, it's just out of my own experience is what I have learned, and I'm just sharing this particular trick with you guys. Well, that's about it from my end. If you liked this video, if you found this video helpful, if you found these tips helpful, please go ahead and hit the like button. And if you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. I'll be back with another hack for you guys. Till then, keep watching the channel and keep geeking. As always, my social media links are in the video description below. And you can always come and say a hi on social media. Bye for now.